Picture this, you in your comfiest chair, sipping your favorite beverage, as you unlock the vault to A's best-kept secrets that are changing the way we make money in the real world. Prepare for an exciting journey into the realm of artificial intelligence and discover how it's transforming our financial landscape. Welcome to the world of A money-making secrets revealed, real-world results. In a world where information is power, harnessing the true potential of A is the key to unlocking a treasure trove of opportunities. Gone are the days when A was confined to science fiction. It's now a reality that's reshaping our financial future. From predicting market trends to optimizing investment portfolios, AI is the magic wand that savvy investors and entrepreneurs are using to achieve remarkable results. The AI advantage in trading. Imagine having a crystal ball that predicts stock prices with uncanny accuracy. AI algorithms do just that. Traders and investors worldwide are leveraging AI's predictive power to make informed decisions in the stock market. Whether it's analyzing historical data, monitoring news sentiment, or identifying patterns, AI is revolutionizing trading. The result? Enhanced profits and reduced risks, making it a must-have tool for anyone seeking financial gains. AI-powered investing. Investment decisions can be daunting, but AI has made it a breeze. AI-driven robo-advisors provide personalized investment strategies tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. These digital advisors continuously monitor the market, adjusting your portfolio in real time. The outcome? Smarter investments, higher returns, and peace of mind. AI and real estate. The real estate market is no stranger to AI's charm. With predictive analytics and data-driven insights, AI helps investors identify lucrative properties and predict future market trends. Whether you're flipping houses or building a real estate portfolio, AI's guidance is the secret sauce to success. AI in entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs are tapping into AI to optimize their businesses. From automating customer service with chatbots to predictive pricing strategies, AI enhances efficiency and profitability. Don't be surprised if the next big startup is powered by AI-driven innovation. AI-powered marketing. In the fast-paced world of digital marketing, AI is a game changer. Marketers are using AI to analyze consumer behavior, segment audiences, and deliver highly targeted advertising campaigns. AI-driven tools optimize ad spend by ensuring your message reaches the right people at the right time. This not only boosts sales but also maximizes ROI, making it an essential tool for businesses looking to thrive in the digital age. AI in healthcare and biotech. AI isn't limited to financial sectors. It's also making waves in healthcare and biotechnology. Machine learning algorithms analyze medical data, accelerating drug discovery, improving diagnostics, and even predicting disease outbreaks. Investing in AI-driven healthcare companies or biotech startups could yield substantial returns as these industries continue to leverage AI for breakthrough innovations. The power of AI in e-commerce. Online businesses are thriving thanks to AI's ability to personalize customer experiences. Recommendation engines, customer segmentation, and predictive analytics are driving higher conversion rates and skyrocketing sales. As a consumer, you've probably experienced this firsthand when receiving tailored product recommendations. The AI revolution is here, and it's changing the way we make money in the real world. From trading to investing, real estate, entrepreneurship, marketing, healthcare, and e-commerce, AI is a formidable ally in our quest for financial success. But remember, the power of AI lies not just in the technology itself, but in our ability to harness it. Stay curious, keep learning, and be open to new possibilities. Embrace AI as a tool that can amplify your financial journey and watch your wealth grow. So, as we conclude this thrilling journey through the world of AI money-making secrets revealed, real-world results, we invite you to share your thoughts. Have you experienced the magic of AI in your financial endeavors? Are you eager to explore AI's potential further? We encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more exciting insights into AI and its real-world applications. Hit that like button if you found this video enlightening, and don't forget to leave a comment sharing your AI experiences. Together, we'll continue to unlock the secrets of AI and pave the way for a prosperous financial future. Thanks for joining us on this exhilarating journey.